At what height from the surface of Earth the gravitational potential and the value of the G are minus 5.4 into 10 power of 7 joules per kg square and 6.0 meter per second square respectively. Take the radius of the Earth as 6,400 kilometers. Here the given data are, that is the gravitational potential, that is Vh is equal to minus 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 joules per kg square. And the value of the G, that is we can write it as Gh is equal to 6.0 meter per second square. And the radius of the Earth, that is equal to R value is equal to 6,400 kilometers. Then options also they are given in terms of kilometers. Then we can write, we know that Vh, that is the gravitational potential Vh is equal to minus Gm divided by R plus H. And similarly, the Gh is equal to Gm divided by R plus H whole square. Then we can write Gh value is equal to minus Vh divided by R plus H. Then R plus H we can write it as minus Vh divided by Gh. Then by finding the value of the H is equal to minus Vh divided by Gh minus R. By substituting the values, that is Vh is equal to 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 6 minus R value is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 we can write. Then 6 one time, and this is 0.9 times. Then we can write this one as 9 into 10 to the power of 6 minus 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6. Then the difference between this one is here is 2.6 into 10 to the power of 6, which is nothing but 2600 into 10 to the power of 3. This is in terms of kilometers. Then we can write this one as 2600 kilometers. Option A is the right answer.